Yes, indeed. What was it like back in those days? You can feel it here in so many ways. Flying, oh so vivid, craftsmanship at heart. It's the art that we've inherited. Screwing, drilling, sawing, slicing, welding, milling, sewing, and even planning. All these skills will lift us high above and keep us flying. You can only soar if you forge your own wings. It's the rhythm of nature, a song that each soul sings. Come, join us on this thrilling ride. We'll show you how to spread your wings wide. Come, we'll lead you on the path to reach those heights with wood and steel, and to feel the aftermath. See how it once was. Step inside the workshop glow. Just like Grandpa used to say, only better because it is today. Workshop, watch, witness, and go.